Once in a neighborhood, there were two families. The Smiths and the Browns were best friends. They knew each other since college. One day, Sarah Smith and Camila Brown had both a baby on the exact same day. Through the years, Sarah notices that she doesn't connect as much with her little girl as Camila does. Camila's daughter, Olivia, was beautiful. She was the best cheerleader in town, and her marks were way better than Chloe's, Sarah's daughter. Sarah never said a thing, but it really triggered her. One sunny weekend, both families decided to explore some mountains in the north. Sarah, seeing how good Olivia guided everyone, got even more mad. Her own daughter had way more difficulties. In the middle of the night, Sarah decided to poison Olivia's water. The next morning, everyone was shocked when they saw Olivia's dead body. After a few weeks, the police arrested Sarah. They had DNA evidence. But Sarah was even more shocked when the police told her that Olivia was actually her daughter. After giving birth, the doctors must have exchanged the babies without noticing. She lost what she most wanted,